I can't do this shit, man. I get scared.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
Dumbass. You guys, what is up? It's your boy back again with another video, and today is just dumb. My boy was just speaking to speak. My friend was wheezing at one point, but was just laughing, and like it was just something, man. We had fun, man. So I hope y'all enjoy as well. Anyways, let's get right into it. By the way, are your ranked matches downloaded?
Holy shit, no, they're not.
The way you said that.
I'm downloading it. I need to shut up, bro.
What are you doing, bro? I have to download raid separately. Okay, download. Yo, they changed the interface. We can scroll through loadouts now. Let's go, yaar.
What do you do?
That's a C4, you dumbass, bro. Looked at the C4 and looked up.
Contact with enemy. Enemy contact.
The bomb has been.
Oye, मार के टम, ओए. वो यार बम गिर गया यार.
Bro, really thought.
Reload.
He's in the corner of the hut, yeah.
Tango.
Bro, I put headshots in his bum.
Changing.
Wow. भूतनाथ को पता नहीं मार रहा है.
Contact with enemy.
मगरिब टाइम इन 6:41 तुझे टमाट मारूंगा मैं सही में.
उड़ा के तेरे आगे बोला नहीं जाता.
Last man standing. Finish it.
अल्लाह माशाल्लाह कहना है माशाल्लाह. ओए सच में माशाल्लाह निकला यार. अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर. अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर.
नमाज में पढ़ लेना यार.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet.
I can't.
Wow, man, such a good response. I will put my bum on your nose and fart big.
Yo, say less. भाई बंदा पानी पीने देता है, पूछ सकता है, स्टार्ट कर लिया.
It's fine.
Targets inside.
Oh, Muslim. आ रहा है, एक और आ रहा है.
Damn.
What was that laugh?
You were the last one. Complete the mission.
I don't even know, bro.
It's all up to you now. Finish the mission.
Contact with enemy.
One shot है, तू हिप फायर करके ही मार सकता था.
Enemy in sight.
अल्लाह तुझे बड़ी जिंदगी दे, माशाल्लाह. तू देगा.
Enemy contact.
Allah, bismillah, kill yourself, I will kill myself. भाई मैं कर क्या?
Targets in sight.
Muslim, he sucked you.
I can't do this shit, man. I get scared.
Lost that round, but it's not over yet. Ready up.
Dumbass.
Enemy in sight.
I missed. Oh, wow. I'm got
Enemy
that
down.
one. 1 HP.
Last one.
1 HP. 1 HP. Allah की कसम body shot मारा इसको.
Ya Allah, please let me win.
UAV recon ready for deployment. Nice work. Get ready for the. Bomb spotted.
Down.
Look up.
What? What?
Bro, the baby, you were running back.
Enemy in sight!
Wait, why are you dying? What is up, my brother? What good?
The roof. Don't let him turn, just keep playing time like this. Actually, just play time. As soon as you hear the plant, just go rush him.
Bomb
Bro really
spotted.
thought. Bro actually thought he could go get some kala paratha in your bum.
Huh?
Don't ask, yeah. I don't think so. I think before even saying stuff.
Destroy the objective. We got the bomb.
Big person. You don't even think after the bro. What am I
Shut up. As soon as he picks your bomb. Wow, man. I will give you
Nice work.
chummi.
Get ready for the next round.
Yo, what are you learning from Mars, man? Ah, bro, this.
Stand down!
Bro, imagine if you clutch this. Keep imagining.
Tango down!
UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. UAV online. Hunter killer drone on standby.
Bro, I'm gonna cuss. I was gonna cuss. I was like, I'm like, oof.
Bro, you are insane.
Bro, Muslim, take off. More like I'll take your pants off and then.
Search and
Oh,
destroy.
bro. Where are you getting this from? Coming from
भाई
behind
मेरा
as well.
वाईफाई इतना सुभान अल्लाह मरीज bro that bullet grazed bro that bullet grazed my nut bro damn I don't have pubic hair over there now
Defend the objectives. Enemy has the bomb.
Oh, from back, bro, from the back.
he hit you from the back hey yo Muslim
Bro, I didn't even say that. You said it yourself, bro. Now you're wrong for that, not me.
Gun is standing for the
Muslim
next
if you
round.
talk again I will put my
Are you
whole
just
gun
praying
in
and
my
praying?
pants and then spray all over you
Okay, bro, at least make it make sense, man. Like, you be speaking, but you be speaking the dumb.
bro if you actually
Yeah.
Enemy contact! Enemy contact!
Bro, I flicked so hard his nuts exploded.
Destroy the
Cover.
Target down!
Bro, where are you?
Contact with them.
In their spawn. Up top main building.
There's a dude there, oh my god.
I got one.
Enemy down!
UAV recon standing by. The bomb has been friendly. Shock RC is ready. Friendly Shock RC is coming.
Was that an ace?
Sniper
Bro
down!
really thought he could snipe
Oh, we won.
me.
Nice work.
I put
Ready
the
for
gun
next
in his
round.
bum E.
Bro, really
Now
thought he
he
could
will
snipe
going
me.
to suck my nut.
Defend the
Bro, what are
objective.
you smoking, man?
Need backup! Get down! Sniper!
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Milan more like my I know where this guy is. तेरी potty में नहीं क्या?
Nice work. Get ready for the next round.
Bro needs to relax.
You know what I need? your
Defend the
ass.
objective.
Enemy inside!
मेरा knife नहीं चल रहा. Oh my god.